Today, we are going to learn how to connect a Telegram bot to N8N. I will walk you through the process step by step in simple words so you can follow along without confusion. By the end, you will be able to use your Telegram bot to send and receive messages inside your N8N workflows. The first thing we need to do is create a Telegram bot. Open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and search for a user called BotFather. BotFather is the official tool provided by Telegram to create and manage bots. Start a chat with BotFather and type the command /newbot. BotFather will then ask you to give your bot a name. This can be anything you want and will be visible to users. After that, it will ask you to choose a username. The username must end with the word bot and it has to be unique. If the name is taken, you will need to try another one. Once you finish, BotFather will send you a long token. This token is very important. It is what we will use to connect the bot to N8N. Copy it and keep it safe. Open your N8N dashboard and look at the left panel. At the top you will see a small plus icon. Click on this icon to add something new. From the list that appears, select Credential. When you click on Credential, a new search window will open. In the search bar, type Telegram API. You will see an option called Telegram API appear in the results. Click on it to select it. A form will appear that asks for your bot token. Paste the token you copied earlier from BotFather into this field. You do not need to change the other fields for now. Click Save to finish creating the credential. Now you can see your Telegram bot is successfully connected. Your Telegram credential is now ready to use inside any node that needs to connect to your bot.